Welcome to IGN's Holiday Buyer's Guide for 2008.
Hey guys and gals, Jess here with your fix for Tuesday, April 14th. Charlotte here with your daily fix for March 26th. Jess here, back with your fix for Tuesday, May 26th. Welcome to E3 2009. It is officially the first day, and I'm here with your fix for Tuesday, June 2nd. Happy Friday, guys. Jess here with your fix for October 23rd. Happy Monday, folks. Jess here with your fix for November 15th.
Hey guys and girls, Naomi here filling in with your fix for Tuesday, April 19th.
Hey guys and gals, Naomi here with your fix for Wednesday, July 6th. Hey guys, Naomi here with your fix for Thursday, April 21st. What's up guys, Naomi here with your fix for Thursday, July 7th. Happy Halloween gamers, Naomi here with your fix for October 31st. Hey guys, Naomi here with your fix for Wednesday, December 7th. Hey guys, Naomi here with your fix for Thursday, January 19th.
Hey everyone, Alana here. As some of you have probably guessed, I will officially be hosting the Daily Fix from now on, and I'm excited about the opportunity.
If you want to go into Star Wars The Last Jedi Unsullied, then you're probably going to want to make like Luke and switch off your targeting, trailer computer. Microsoft has revealed its monthly treat for gold subscribers in February. Most of the Shadow of the Tomb Raider info leaked yesterday, like the September 14th release date, but I just wanted to let you fine folks know that Square Enix has made that official. Rockstar announced something, you guys.
I'm Sydney Goodman, and it is the final day of FIFA week here on The Fix.
What's up everybody, I'm Sydney Goodman, and in today's fix, a Days Gone delay, Far From Home Spidey reveal, and Battlefield 5's Last Tiger. What's up everyone, and welcome to the Daily Fix. I'm Sydney Goodman, and I'm the captain now. What's up everybody, I'm Sydney Goodman, and today's fix, more scary games! Yay! Hooray! What's up everybody, I'm Sydney Goodman, and today's fix, the live action Batman movie has a very exciting
What's up everybody, I'm Sydney Goodman, and in today's Daily Fix, Ubisoft changes up creator mode, lightsabers are getting lighter, and Mortal Kombat gets an R rating. Roll the thing. It hasn't been that long since Ubisoft announced creator mode for
Assassin's Creed, but they're already making changes. The official line from Ubisoft is that they're trying to protect the integrity of the game and promote more difficult and interesting player-made quests. Lightsabers are finally getting upgrades! There's no release date now, so expect exciting new